As we age, maintaining a healthy lifestyle becomes more important than ever. Our bodies undergo various changes, and it becomes crucial to adapt our routines to support our overall well-being. One of the most effective ways to do this is by focusing on our diet and incorporating nutrient-rich foods that can help us stay active and healthy. A nutritious breakfast is a fantastic way for older adults to kickstart their day. It sets the tone for the rest of the day, providing the energy and nutrients needed to stay active and engaged. Breakfast can be a time to enjoy wholesome foods that are both delicious and beneficial for our health. One excellent option for a nutritious breakfast is a smoothie. It gives them the energy they need to tackle their daily activities, whether it's a morning walk, a yoga session, or simply spending time with loved ones. Smoothies are not only convenient, but also versatile, allowing for a variety of ingredients to be included. Smoothies provide essential nutrients for overall well-being. They can be packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support our immune system, improve digestion, and promote healthy skin. By incorporating a range of fruits and vegetables, we can ensure that our bodies receive a balanced mix of nutrients. A morning smoothie is an excellent option for seniors. It's a quick and easy way to consume a variety of nutrients without the need for extensive meal preparation. Plus, making smoothies can be a fun and engaging activity to do with a partner or family member, adding a social element to the routine. Smoothies are easy to digest and can be packed with fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients. For instance, adding leafy greens like spinach or kale can boost the fiber content, while fruits like berries and bananas add natural sweetness and a dose of antioxidants. You can also include protein sources like yogurt or nuts to make the smoothie more filling. In this essay, we'll explore a delicious and nutritious smoothie recipe. This recipe is designed to be both tasty and beneficial, ensuring that it meets the dietary needs of older adults. We'll look at the specific ingredients that make this smoothie a powerhouse of nutrition, and how each component contributes to overall health. It's specially designed to meet the unique needs of older adults. As we age, our nutritional requirements change, and it's important to choose foods that support bone health, cognitive function, and cardiovascular health. This smoothie recipe takes all these factors into account, making it an ideal choice for seniors. This smoothie is easy to make and even easier to enjoy. With just a few simple steps, you can create a delicious and nutritious drink that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast option or a refreshing afternoon snack, this smoothie has got you covered. Let's dive in and learn how this simple beverage can help you embrace your golden years with vitality. By incorporating smoothies into your daily routine, you can enjoy a tasty and convenient way to boost your health and well-being. So grab your blender and let's get started on this journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. This smoothie is packed with ingredients that are beneficial for seniors. It's not just a tasty treat, but a powerhouse of nutrients designed to support your health and well-being as you age. Each ingredient has been carefully selected to provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are particularly beneficial for seniors. These ingredients are easy to find at your local grocery store. You don't need to go to specialty shops or order online, just head to the produce section and you'll find everything you need. Fresh, accessible, and affordable, these ingredients make it simple to incorporate healthy choices into your daily routine. Here's what you need. 1 whole apple, chopped. Apples are rich in fiber and vitamin C, which are great for digestion and boosting your immune system. They also add a natural sweetness to the smoothie, making it delicious without the need for added sugars. 1/2 lemon or lime, chopped. These citrus fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C and antioxidants. They help to detoxify your body and improve skin health. The tangy flavor also adds a refreshing twist to the smoothie. 2 cups of kale, finely chopped. Kale is a superfood packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and other essential nutrients. It's great for bone health, vision, and overall immune function. Adding kale to your smoothie ensures you're getting a hefty dose of greens. 1/2 cup of pineapple, chopped. Pineapple is not only sweet and delicious, but also contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation. It's a tropical treat that brings a burst of flavor and health benefits to your smoothie. A handful of fresh parsley. Parsley is more than just a garnish. It's a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and folate. It helps to support bone health, boost your immune system, and even freshen your breath. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to the compound curcumin. It's great for joint health and can help reduce the symptoms of arthritis, making it an excellent addition for seniors. 1 navel orange, peeled and segmented. Oranges are another fantastic source of vitamin C and fiber. They help to keep your immune system strong and your digestive system running smoothly. Plus, they add a lovely citrusy sweetness to the smoothie. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and protein. They help to keep you feeling full and satisfied, support heart health and provide a good source of energy. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. Black pepper not only adds a bit of spice but also enhances the absorption of curcumin from turmeric. It's a small addition that makes a big difference in the effectiveness of your smoothie. These ingredients are not only delicious but also offer a wide range of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to improving digestion and reducing inflammation. This smoothie is a comprehensive health booster. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients in one tasty drink. They work together to support your overall health. By incorporating this smoothie into your daily routine, you can enjoy a delicious treat while also taking significant steps towards maintaining and improving your health as you age. Cheers to a healthier you. Making this smoothie is incredibly easy and a great way to start your day with a burst of energy and nutrients. Just follow these simple steps and you'll have a delicious smoothie in no time. First, wash all your fruits and vegetables thoroughly. This step is crucial to remove any dirt, pesticides or bacteria that might be on the surface. Use cold water and gently scrub the produce to ensure it's clean. Then chop the apple, lemon or lime, kale and pineapple into smaller pieces. Cutting them into smaller chunks helps the blender process them more efficiently, resulting in a smoother texture. Next, add all the ingredients to a blender. You can also add other ingredients like a handful of spinach, a scoop of protein powder, or a spoonful of chia seeds for added nutrition. Blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth. Depending on your blender, this might take anywhere from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. Make sure there are no chunks left. You can adjust the amount of liquid in the blender. If the smoothie is too thick, add a bit more water, juice or milk. Add more if you prefer a thinner consistency. This is a great way to customize the smoothie to your liking. Once blended, pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. You can garnish it with a slice of fruit or a sprinkle of seeds for an extra touch. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and minerals to keep you energized throughout the day. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. This is particularly important for seniors who may experience age-related digestive issues. Apples also contain antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage. They may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease. Section 5. Citrus, zest, vitamin C and digestive support. Lemons and limes are known for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports a healthy immune system. It helps protect your body from infections. Citrus fruits also aid in digestion. They do this by stimulating the production of digestive juices. Section 6. Kale's powerhouse of nutrients, vitamins, minerals and more. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Kale is an excellent source of vitamins K, A and C. It also contains calcium. Calcium is crucial for maintaining strong bones. This is especially important for seniors who are at an increased risk of osteoporosis. Section 7. Tropical delight, pineapple's digestive and immunity benefits. Pineapple is a delicious and nutritious fruit. It contains an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain aids digestion by breaking down proteins. This makes it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Pineapple is also a good source of vitamin C. As we know, this vitamin is important for a healthy immune system. Section 8. Parsley's detoxifying power, antioxidants for overall health. Parsley is often used as a garnish. However, it's also a potent source of nutrients. Parsley is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. It also contains compounds that may support liver health. The liver is responsible for detoxifying your body. Section 9. Turmeric and pepper, a dynamic duo for inflammation and absorption. Turmeric is a spice that has gained popularity for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric. It has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be beneficial for seniors who may experience age-related inflammation. Black pepper is added to this smoothie because it enhances the absorption of curcumin. This makes the turmeric even more effective. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share your comments. Let's help each other.